How to increase your credit limit on Wells Fargo. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can request a credit limit increase on Wells Fargo. So let's get right into the video. First thing you're going to have to do is visit the Wells Fargo's official website. And if you click on the sign in button, you should be able to log into your account by entering your login credentials. So simply go ahead and enter your username and password to log into your account. So there are a few ways to increase your credit limit. So the first thing you can do is initiate a request online through your Wells Fargo online banking account or by calling their customer service. So if you also go ahead and tap on the official Wells Fargo's help site to increase your credit limit, you can see what credit limit is here and what determines your credit limit, what type of card you use, and how it affects your credit limit. It will also it also does your gives you information about your credit background limit. And if you scroll down here, how you can actually increase the limit is online. So some credit issuers provide the option to request a credit line increase online. And if you just log into your issuer's portal and look for the tab for the account services or something similar, you should be able to request a credit limit increase. You could also directly give them a phone call. So you can call your issuer their customer service number and explain that you want to see if you're eligible for an increase. Now, if you don't know how to find their number, just go to their website and then simply you can just search for Wells Fargo customer service. Now you'll see their customer helpline right here, and you can find different kind of numbers for different services as well. You can directly give them a call and you should be able to ask them if you're eligible for a limit increase. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.